Hello everybody, welcome to round 3 of the Asian Nations Chess Cup here in Zaozhuang, China. Before we start our report today, please watch a video from the hotel of our players, the Yi Zhengyuan Hotel.
Yi Zhengyuan, a 4-star hotel in Xuecheng district of Zaozhuang.
Welcome to Yi Zhen Hotel.
An integrated garden hotel. Expansive 30,000 square meters, about 7 acres. 150 guest rooms and 20 restaurants in Eastern and Western style. Spa and relaxation facilities. Gym, swimming pool, ping pong, basketball, and tennis courts.
Nama saya Christianus Lim. Saya tinggal di Jakarta.
Hi, my name is Irene Karisma Sukandar.
Hai, nama saya Dewi Ardiani.
Halo, saya Firda Rizka Aulia.
Halo, nama saya Chelsea Monica Ignacia Site.
Hai, nama saya Medina Warda Aulia.
Catur?
Yes!
Indonesia?
Yeah!
The top 2 seeded men's teams faced off today. China 1 and India played to a 2-2 draw in an all-GM battle. Wang Hao beat Sasi Karim and Ding Liren beat Nagy to score for China.
But Harry Krishna beat GM Wang Yue and Gupta beat Yu Yangyi to even the score for India.
China 2 edged Vietnam 2.5, 1.5. Games were drawn on both 1-3, but GM Wang Yang scored the winning point against IM Nguyen Van Huy.
Iran also narrowly beat Mongolia 2.5, 1.5.
Winning point was scored by IM Puria Darini over FM Mohaga Gombosaran. Singapore shocked Indonesia 3-1 on wins by IM Kevin Gao and IM Chen Pengkong.
Kazakhstan crushed Yemen 3.5.
Iraq blanked Chinese Taipei 4-0, while Korea shut out Hong Kong 4-0.
In the women's section, China 1 beat China 2 by 3-1.
The young China 3 women's team surprised Kazakhstan 3-1.
India kept pace by beating Vietnam 3-1.
Mongolia also beat Singapore 3-1.
Indonesia and Iran drew 2-2.
Now for the ranking. 4 teams are tied for the lead in the men's. China 1 and 2. India and Iran have 5 match points each.
In the women's, China 1 leads alone with 6 match points. Iran is in second slot with 5 points. India and China 3 follow with 4 points each. Round 4. China 2 versus China 1. India versus Iran. Kazakhstan versus Singapore. Mongolia versus Vietnam.
Tomorrow's pairings. Women's round 4. China 1 versus Iran. Singapore versus Indonesia. India versus Mongolia. China 3 versus Vietnam. China 2 versus Kazakhstan. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow for the round 4.